This is Coachman Catalina Insider First Take. My name is Matt Eppers, and today we're going to review some quick maintenance and campsite whoops moments to remember during your camping experience. Now, these tips are proven to keep your Coachman Catalina in tip-top shape as you camp. We would like to point out that campers are houses on homes that travel thousands of miles. Components are going to need fixing and adjusting as you go over America's infrastructure and as time goes on. Always remember that if something needs replaced or adjusted, unless it is something that will inhibit you from camping, you may be better off adjusting it yourself. In the very least, keep a list of what these are and turn it into your dealer at the end of the season. That way it's still guaranteed under your manufacturer's warranty through Coachmen. Now, the first thing to remember is that a deep cycle battery takes 24 to 48 hours to recharge properly. Unlike the battery in your car or truck, the charging system in your trailer is a low amp system. This requires the charge of the battery to take longer. Also remember that your battery requires periodic maintenance and will boil dry if not maintained correctly. It is important to note that a low battery will result in electronic appliances not working correctly. Even though the unit's lights may be working properly, low voltage prevents the fridge, furnace, and hot water heater from operating properly. The most common reason that a water pump does not work is because the inside of the pump needs to be clean. Dirt and debris on the diaphragm will prevent water from being pumped. Using the jacks on the trailer to level the unit could result in damage to the slide-out systems and cause leaks. Jacks are meant to stabilize the unit after it has already been leveled. Remember to tighten screws on the window frames at least once every 3 months. This compensates for the seals setting in and shrinking of the putty tape, helping to prevent leaks. Never leave your awning unattended in high winds or heavy rains. Equip the automatic awning dump function or angle your awning when using it in the rain and high winds. Always retract your awning until the wind has subsided. Only use single-ply toilet paper in your holding tank and always use an ample supply of water with every flush. If you're a stationary camper, pay attention to the chemicals that you are using in your toilet and black tank. Since the trailer is not moving, solids may build up in the bottom of the tank. This can lead to false monitor panel readings, resulting in buildup from the inside walls on your tank. To remedy this problem, use your standard black tank flush on all Catalina models. The bearing and braking system should be inspected at least once a year. This can help prevent blowouts and costly service calls, not to mention increased safety. Remember, it is the owner's responsibility to complete a visual inspection of the weather seals on a regular basis. This includes the roof and slide-outs. A spot rarely checked is the awning seals. When setting up your camp space, always check to make sure that the slide is clear enough room to fully extend out. When tearing down, remember to check that the slide is clear on the inside of the trailer. When it's raining, make sure that all vents are closed, including the one in your bathroom. Depending on if you are setting up or tearing down, remember to double check that all your stab jacks are up or down before taking off. Now always remember to check that baggage and camp kitchen doors are closed and locked as well. And finally, when using your black tank flush, always remember to open the black tank valve. For more maintenance tips, visit our website or check out the Forest River YouTube page or Catalina's specific instructions on how to best maintain and service your trailer. Thanks for tuning in today and enjoy this camping season in your Coachmen Catalina travel trailer.